Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla konrat ke Sangma mentakas ngi Plie ke Rural Health Center Myriaw kabadan Eastern West Khasil District. Hakajing dan lang Myntri ke tanat elekai usyakliar warjri baru MP ke Rajya Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharluki. Habakran nakane ke sengi Myntri Rangbah ulong baka tanat ka koi ke khia kade ke we ni ki tanat kabadan jing bah ke Jylla kat ba ulapan pau ke jing pen kelai ki jing tei hakate ke tanat hakini nyo snam baladam ban penlong ke koi ke khia ka bakham sok ki Paidbah nong kondong. Habak kentok baka sorkar ka angnu ban penkelai ke tenat kabadan ke jingmang pisa ke bahe tam na kabanta ka koi ke khia ka balong khandai persen ka bayeng kum ke bahe tam hakari ulapan pau baka dei ke jing pen pau ya ke jing angnu jong ke sorkar ya kani ke Rural Health Center labai pisa de ka CMSDF haka pisa ke ba lai pupra point pralak tingka kat ba sa lai pupra lak an sepelak kamhadin kane ke Myriaw RCH ka kenthop ya ki arpwe tli ki shnong ban lapania ya ka de ka Dr. H Gordon Robert Hospital Shillong kane ka RCH kadai ka Basaw kum kane ka RCH ka balapnia da ka hospital ha Jylla.
Rescheduling it, and I would once again like to apologize to each and every one of you for the inconvenience that has been caused to you. But this gives me great pleasure, a great sense of happiness, and a great sense of satisfaction to be here amongst all of you to witness the inauguration of this Rural Health Center. I must thank Reverend S.S. Myriaw, someone I have been very closely associated with, someone who has guided me in different situations, and the person who has pushed me, I should say, to ensure that I am here today. It is he who approached and asked me for funds, along with, of course, other members, and therefore I really appreciate and would once again put on record a deep sense of appreciation for Reverend S.S. Myriaw for having taken the initiative because of which we are all present here today. Friends, health sector has been one of the most challenging sectors for us as a government and as a society. In the last 7 years, our government has taken number of steps to bring reformation to the health sector. I'm happy to inform you that our government spends 9% of its budget on health sector. To give it in perspective of the nation, the Meghalaya government is the highest spender in terms of percentage of the budget in the entire country. So 9% is what we spend, which is the highest compared to any other state in the country.